Hey yummies, welcome to another food inspirational video. Today we are making this delicious smoked mackerel tomato stew. Welcome once again if today is the first time on this channel. My name is Yummy Cash. So the first thing is to blend your ingredients, which are some peppers, some tomatoes, some onions, and some cloves of garlic. Now, if you have some ginger, you can as well add it to it, but not too much, just a little bit. And then you blend it nicely without water. Next thing is to add oil to your saucepan and allow it to heat. Once the oil is hot, add in your chopped onions and fry till it is translucent. Pour in your blended tomatoes once the onions are translucent, and then give it a very good stir for everything to be well mixed. So we all know tomato is very acidic, which creates a very bitter taste and flavor. Now another possible way to reduce this acidity is to add salt to it. Now give it a very good stir, and if possible rinse the blender, add the water to it, stir once again, and then cover it for about 5 minutes. So this is 6 minutes after. I'm going to give it a very quick stir and once again cover it on a low medium heat for additional 5 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes of cooking the tomatoes. I'll give it a very quick stir and add water to it. Now the water will help cook the tomatoes very well. So I'll bring this stew to a simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or till you see oil start surfacing on top of it. That is when you will know that your stew is on the right path. Now time to spice it up. I add in about half size of seasoning cube and then go in with some prekese powder which I made at home, and I have a video down in the description, followed by some rosemary and then some thyme. Give it a very good stir and then add in some fish powder. I'll give it a very good stir. Now let me tell you this, the prekese powder took the stew to another level. It tasted so marvelous. Now I taste for salt and adjust it to my preference. Give it a very good stir. So our stew is almost done, but our smoked mackerel has to be added to it. So here goes in the smoked mackerel. Give it a very good mix. Now if you want your stew to be light, go ahead and dilute it with some water, and then I added in some curry powder. Now you might be asking, why don't you add all the spices, everything at a go? Now when you are making stew, you need to build, your flavors step by step. You get what I mean? So I cover it for about 5 minutes and then add in some fresh onions. Now the onions is totally optional. I understand some people do not want it in their stew, which is fine. So you can add it and you can omit it. I give it a stir again and then cover it and bring it to a simmer for about 2 minutes. Now time to add in the last ingredients, which is dried parsley. Normalerweise I would have added spring onions, but I was not having us at the time of making this stew. So that is why I went in with the dried parsley. So for more videos, kindly click on this video, and this is what we are having after 5 minutes. It is so good and it smells marvelous. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Tschüss.